Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. Today I'm going to be opening a fire alarm related device. That device is here in this package. Without further ado, let me open up this package and show you what's inside. Now, I have to admit I did already open this up a little bit, so I would know if there is a box in here or not, and there is a box, so I'm going to have to pause the video and open the box, and then I'll show you guys what's in it after I do so. Inside that nice little envelope was a nice little box. Inside that nice little box was this nice little bag. Let me open up this nice little bag and show you what's inside. Mind you, I'm doing this with one hand because the other hand has to hold the camera. Open it up, and inside is another bag. Let me open that up, and there is a mounting plate for the system sensor SpectrAlert Advanced 2-wire notification appliances. I bought this device from Aslin Fire Safety. Really call it a device, just a mounting plate. The reason why I bought this is because I have a system sensor CHSR chime strobe, and I received it without a mounting plate, and I needed a mounting plate to properly hook it up and test it and use it for system tests. Well, I'm not going to disappoint anybody here. I'm actually going to hook it up and show you guys the chime strobe in action. Okay, the chime strobe has been mounted to the mounting plate. I set the strobe to 115 candela, its maximum candela setting, and I set the tone to 4 chimes a second, low volume. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and hook this up so you guys can see it working. There you go. Happy Fire Alarm Friday.